Assalamu alaikum. Myself Reshma Sultana. Welcome to 8th class English Unit 1 and Reading C. The lesson name is A Letter to the Friend. Before going to see this letter, we should know what is the meaning of letter, how many types of letters, what is formal letter, what is informal letter. All these we should know first. Okay. So that's why I am teaching in detail about the letters. Okay. First, what we should know what is the meaning of letter. Among various modes of communication, letter is an important one as it enables us to communicate with people. Letter is essential for communicating with people situated far off. Okay. The person who is far, for them we are going to write letters. So first of all we will learn classification of letters. How many how many types of letters? Letters can be mainly classified into two categories. How many categories? In two categories. Letters can be mainly written in two categories. First one is formal letter. Formal letter. Formal we can for formal or official letter. For any official letter we can say formal letter, or for any formal letter we can say official letter. Both are same. Formal or official. These two words are same. We can say formal or official or formal. Okay. What is the meaning of formal letter? Formal letter means this type of letters are shared with business firms, government offices, editor of newspaper, etc. For whom we will write this formal letter? Formal letter is used for government offices or editor to newspaper or for business firms or etc. For that purpose we will write formal letter. This formal letter we can say official letter also. Okay. This is the first one. And what is the second one? Second one is informal or personal letter. Informal means we can write this letter for these letters are shared with friends, relatives, parents, etc. This letter for whom we will write informal letter. This type of letter are shared with friends. We will write this letter to friends or relatives or parents. This letter is known as informal or personal letter. We can say informal letter or personal letter. These two meanings are same. Informal we can say informal or personal. So once again I will revise you classification of letters. Letters can be mainly classified into two categories. How many categories? Two categories. That is, first one is formal or official letter and second one is informal or personal letter. Formal letter for whom we will write. This type of letters are shared with business firms, government offices, editor of newspaper, etc. For whom we will write these letters. For any government offices, the editor to newspaper or to the police station, to the agriculture officer, etc. etc. Okay. And informal letter, this type of letters are shared with only friends, relatives or parents, etc. Okay. Clear? This is clear. Classification of letters. No. Now I will tell you how to write the formal letter format and informal letter format. In this formal letter, first we should write address. Address for whom address? Sender's address. For whom we are sending the letter, their address. Next, date. How we have to write date? We have to write the date like this. We have to write first date, next month and next year. We should not write 30/8/2020. No, this is wrong. We have to write like this. Date 30, month August, year 2020. We have to write like this. This is the correct format. Okay. Next, we are discussing about the formal letter. Na? For whom we are writing here? To. For whom we are writing? For example, I wrote here editor or the or the government officers or any business firm, we have to write here to the, for whom we are writing. Here address. If here I wrote the editor, next we have to write which newspaper editor. You have to write here, for example, to the editor, Deccan Chronicle, Hyderabad. Okay. Next, after this we have to write subject. Subject means for what purpose we are writing the letter. That purpose we should write here, subject. After that, after writing the subject, come here, we have to write respected sir or madam. We have to write here. After this, we have to start first para. In this first para, what we have to write? We have to write, I am from here, I am writing this letter, your name, you are from here, which locality you are from. We have to write in the first para. And in the second para, we should write body of matter. Body of matter means for what purpose we are writing this letter. That is the body of matter. And in third para, we should write this, I shall be highly obliged to you, I shall be obliged to you, that like. In these paras, we should have to complete the letter. After this, we have to thank them, thanking you. After that, yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Any one this. You don't have to write these two, only one. Yours faithfully or sincerely. Okay. After this, you have to write your name here. Your name. Okay. This is the format of the formal letter. Okay. First you have to write the sender address, then date. You have to write the date like this. This is the perfect one. Then to the, for whom we are writing the letter, then subject, then respected sir. After that, these three paras are compulsory. You should write these three paras. In this third para, we have to write this compulsory. After this, we have to thank them. Then yours faithfully or sincerely. After that, you have to write your name compulsory here. Okay. This is the format of the formal letter. Now I will explain you about the informal letter format. Here we studied about the formal letter. Now this is informal letter. In this informal letter, we should write first address, same as formal letter. Sender's address we have to write here. Then date, same as formal letter. We have to write like first date, then month, and then year. Okay. In this format, we have wrote here to the editor, but in this informal we have this is for only personal use now. Dear friend or father or sister or mother, etc. For anybody, this is informal letter. In this also there are three paras. In first para we have to write, I am fine here, I hope you are also fine there, like that. Okay. In the second para, we have to write the body of matter. Here I explained you now what is the meaning of body of matter. Body of matter means for what purpose we are writing the letter. That the main thing you have to write in the second para. Okay. After completing the second para, we have to write the third para. In the third para, we have to write, convey my good regards to all, convey my good regards to you and to all our family, that like that. Okay. After completing these three paras, we have to write here, not you, we have to write here yours lovingly, not faithfully or sincerely, because this is a personal letter, so we have to write this yours lovingly. After that, you have to write your name here. Okay. These are the two formats of the formal letter and the informal letter. This is very important format, so you have to write this compulsory. Okay. Now there is a assignment. You have to complete it at home and send it to me. Assignment is, write a letter to the editor of a newspaper about the shortage of drinking water and polluted water supply in your area. This letter you have to write the editor of a newspaper. For what purpose? What is the subject of this letter? Shortage of drinking water and polluted water supply in your area. Okay. This is the formal letter. you have to write a formal letter. After, in the second video, I will explain you about a letter to the friend which was in your textbook. Okay, this is a letter to the friend which was in your textbook of unit 1 and reading C. I will explain you in the next video. Why this explained you means, first you have to know about the letter, formats of the letter. So that's why I did not teach here, I did not tell you. I will tell you about the letter to the friend in the next video. Okay, thank you.